Okay, can you tell us firstly, why did you take the video?
Commissioners, as indicated, I took the video for future reference for TOMS as well as CAA if there was any noise complaints laid by the community.
I don't quite see what we are supposed to see. I can't even tell the house at which the takedown was taking place.
So, Commissioners, if you look at the video, there was at one specific house, there was 2 vehicles standing, as well as at the gate, there was people standing at the gate, and there was cars in the street. As indicated previously to the Commission, if this was bogus cops, as we call it, they would have definitely dispersed from their, Commissioners.
Ms. Ncube,